What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my video. So this is my very first video, guys, and this is my very first trade that I've took 2025. All right, so in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how I was able, guys, to kill 100 pips from gold. Of course, gold, you feel me? So, and I'll explain to you guys the reason why I haven't taken any trade. You know what I'm saying? The reason why I haven't taken any trade, I mean, December, the whole December, I didn't take any trade. You know what I'm saying? So in this video, guys, I'll give you all the details, the reason why I didn't take any trade in December. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how I got this trade right here. You know what I do before I get into the market. Remember, guys, this 2025, guys, if you haven't learned how to trade, I think this is going to be your best I'm going to be your best mentor, guys, ever. You feel me? So first of all, guys, we can see that before I jump into the market has been around this area right here. You feel me? The market has been around this area right here, this point right there. Let me show you. The market has been at this point right here. You feel me? This is where I found the market. You feel me? But remember that, guys, before you do anything, before you sell or buy, you always first need to do some analysis. So let me show you what I saw. And I did show this to my free Telegram members, you know what I'm saying, the people who are in the group on Telegram. I did give them this setup. So if you're not in a free Telegram group, make sure you join. The link is on my description below. You know what I'm saying? This is what I saw, guys. First of all, I saw that the market is being, you know, going on uptrend. You feel me? Something like that. First, I saw that we had some first touch right there. Let me do this. We had some first touch right here. You feel me? We had some first touch right here. We had some second touch right here. And we had some third touch right there. You feel me? So on top of that, remember, guys, even though you'll be using trend line strategy, but remember that you always need more details before you enter the market. Okay, so if you look at this point right there, you can see that we had some zone as well. All right, which was this one right there. Let me show you. Here's the zone. Boom. So if you're new to the channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave the comment below. Let's continue the lesson. So now we can see that the market has been bouncing at the zone right here. Okay, something like that. Yes. So this is the more details which you want to see in a market. Okay, you want to make sure everything you already marked them, okay, so that nothing is gonna happen like as a mistake, okay, which you already saw everything. You can see that we have first touch, second touch, third touch to the trend line. Okay, we have 3 touches, and we have 1 touch to the zone, second touch to the zone, and then after that you can see that we have let me do this. You can see that we have some breakout right here. We have breakout candlestick right there. Okay, that was the confirmation, says that our trend line strategy is 100% correct. So as soon as we get first touch, second touch, third touch, this is where we entered the market right there. I entered the market right there. But as soon as I got this breakout, then I was like, wow, this is 100% complete. Okay, now it's time to move on high, you know, without no fear. You feel me? So if you're still a beginner trying to learn how to trade, I will recommend you to always focus on trend line strategy and zone strategy. You understand? It's very easy. You feel me? And if you cannot do it, let me know. Let me know. Just hit me up on Telegram, like, yo, JUBA, what up, please teach me how to trade and stuff like that. I'll teach you how to do this. Very easy. But this is how I was able to catch this trade. And as you can see, guys, even now I'm still moving, but I'm already out right here, because what I do now, I don't want to take everything from the market. I just catch my pips and get out. Let me show you how much I made. This is how much I made. You feel me? This is how many pips I made. Yeah, what's happening? This is how much pips I made. 92 pips is enough. You feel me? But the market already moved more than 140 pips. You feel me? So that's my first trade of the year 2025. You feel me? All we need to do, guys, is to repeat the same thing over and over again. So this is how you can be able to make your own money, bro. Trading gold. Gold is the best pair in the market. If you're still struggling on how to trade and how to make money forex, I would say just look in with the gold, bro. Make it your favorite pair. Buy gold, sell gold, master the movements of gold. Believe me, you will start seeing this profit in the market, because the gold is the best pair ever. Once you master the movement of gold, you will never not making money. You will start making this money from forex through gold. Trust me. Keep doing the same thing over and over, and then after 30 days, bro, you will see how much money you're going to make by doing this. You're firm. Yes, sir. Just, if you got any question, just leave the comment below, in the description below, and yeah, let me know how the trend line strategy is treating you right now. You feel me? Yes, sir. Peace out.